Hey there guys, it's John Waite here. Thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with this review, are you ready to revolutionize your internet marketing game? Imagine having a team dedicated to crafting your entire online marketing empire, guiding you until you hit that impressive milestone of earning $10,000 per month. If this ambitious journey excites you, then dive into the first link in the description to explore more. Before I do that, I want to tell you about the 4 awesome bonuses that I'm going to give you when you pick this product up through the link below this video. Bonus number 1, I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new subscribers every single Friday. This isn't a method or a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to pick them up, how to get them, and how to mail them with a self-hosted autoresponder that costs between $3 and $12 a month. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you my 2023 free traffic method that is getting me a ton of free traffic to my websites, blogs, and offers. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel to promote Empire Course, so that it's literally like having your own course without needing to do any of the setup or any of the support. And bonus number 4 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first for your selected keyword inside YouTube. So those are the 4 awesome bonuses that you're going to get. So with that said, let's jump straight over and see what this product is all about. But before we do that, don't forget, if you would like me and my team to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then you're going to want to check out the first link in the description. And if you want to pick up this product that I'm reviewing, then you want to check out the second link in the description, and I'll see you on the inside.
Did you know AI videos, graphics, and images are making massive strides in 2023 and will continue to in the future? The amount spent on video marketing will reach $92.253 billion by the end of 2023. The demand for AI image generation tools has increased 1,700% from 2022 to 2023 alone. Short-form videos are all the rage. They capture attention, boost brand visibility, and increase engagement. 68% of marketers are already using them. YouTube Shorts hits 30 billion views every single day. TikTok has 1 billion active users. Instagram generates $33 billion in short videos revenue. Audiobooks will hit $19.4 billion in 2027. Podcasts have 424.2 million listeners. 81% of businesses use videos and ChatGPT-4 content as marketing tools. Emails, blogs, articles, and scripts are irresistible now. Marketers expect the content industry's revenue to exceed $135 billion by 2026. The chatbot industry will be worth $239.2 million by 2025. There are over 3 million chatbots in use on Facebook Messenger alone. Videos, shorts, graphics, voiceovers, chatbots, GPT-4 content present you with a massive opportunity of making money. And it's time you capitalize on these trends and make crazy profits. We are already doing this easily. Want to know how? Using a revolutionary AI GPT-4 powered app that creates hundreds of traffic pulling videos, shorts, AI graphics, voiceovers, content, and chatbots that drive hordes of buyer traffic, huge commissions, and sales, making us a profit of a minimum of $238 every day. And we do all this without ever picking up a camera or writing a script, or hiring freelancers or graphic designers, or buying third-party apps. Imagine having the power to generate AI videos, mesmerizing shorts, eye-catching AI graphics, voiceovers, and persuasive GPT-4 content, outstanding AI chatbots all at your fingertips. Yeah, Codecraft AI, a world-class all-in-one ChatGPT-4 AI platform, comes loaded with AI Video Creator, AI Ultra Shorts Maker, AI Graphic Generator, AI Image Design Tools, AI Content Creator, VoiceOver Creator, and Chatbot Builder, all inside the same dashboard. Meet some of our real beta users, entrepreneurs and businesses just like yours, making waves in the digital realm and riding the wave of profits. Take Sarah, for instance. She made $1,000 from a real estate client selling stunning videos and captivating shorts for their social media. Or Mark, who made $450 doing an AI graphic project for an online coach client through his Fiverr gig. And there's Emily, a content creator who transformed her career with ChatGPT-4 written blogs, emails, articles, and scripts that generated $1,200 through her blog affiliate sales. And they are making 6 figures monthly with Codecraft AI. All because they've realized the power of investing in high-quality videos, shorts, AI graphics, and compelling content. But here's the catch. For every Sarah, Mark, and Emily, there are countless others still facing challenges. They're caught in the web of dependency on third-party apps, using outdated AI tools, and spending a fortune on freelancers. Shooting own AI videos and recording own voiceovers. Spending hours on how to use ChatGPT-4 to create videos and voiceovers. Expensive monthly subscriptions that dwindle their savings. Paying thousands for videos and images to stock websites. Getting sued for violating copyright laws of images and videos. Struggling to get customers and losing out on profits. Lack of time or money and not knowing where to start at all. That is depressing. Businesses struggle to create content, but now no more struggling with content creation. With Codecraft AI, take full control of your video creation. No more depending on others. That's where we introduced our Game Changer app. Create jaw-dropping, traffic-pulling videos in any niche quickly and fast. Create hundreds of attention-grabbing YouTube and Insta Shorts that drive traffic to your websites, blogs, and offers. Eye-catching and stunning 4K AI graphics for your websites, blogs, and social media at your fingertips. Instantly create and sell top-quality GPT-4 content, ads, sales copy, video scripts, and more. Generate and sell human-like professional voiceovers at lightning-fast speed in a few simple clicks. Create and deploy super smart AI customer support agents in 50-plus niches. Dominate your market and crush your competitors with world-class technology. Commercial license. Save hours spent on content creation. Let our app do it for you in minutes. Beginners can easily use this. Say no to all your worries and hurdles that stand in the way of you and your profits. No need to create or edit videos. No need to learn technical know-how. No need to invest in equipment for videos and voiceovers. No need to hire freelancers or buy pesky apps. No need to invest in AI image creation and designing. No more paying or combining different image tools. No need to write scripts or blogs, articles, or other sales content. No need to invest in creating customer support chatbots outside. No need to do it all by yourself. Everything is done for you. Just grab this life-changing software and dominate the world. And you can make more. Just grab our commercial license and launch your AI video, graphics, and content creation business with just a few minutes of work every day. These services are selling like crazy. You can easily tap into 250-plus passive income streams, providing advanced content creation services to clients around the globe. Set it up once and continue profiting 24/7. With Codecraft AI, you're not just creating content, you're creating opportunities to live a dream lifestyle, to go on exotic vacations, to own a 7-figure annual business, to enjoy financial freedom. It is the most unique software that exists in the market right now. There's nothing like it. This software could have easily cost you thousands of dollars, but we're asking nowhere near those big prices. We want to make it affordable for players like you, as we want to see you make huge profits. Hence, for a limited time only, you can secure commercial license to Codecraft AI for $17.95. And with our 30-day money-back guarantee, you've got nothing to lose. If you're not satisfied, you ask and get a refund within 30 days. There's no risk. So the clock is ticking. Don't delay and miss out on the one-time low crazy price. Soon we'll be moving this price to $197 monthly. So hurry, click the buy button, and we'll see you on the inside.